Diaz still scampering after it. And Baku, furious play, wasn't it, by Diaz? Something Liverpool red for Bayern red, not missing a beat against Stuttgart. Kimmich able to find Luis Diaz now. Diaz trying to create the angle for himself. Kane, they want something here. Diaz for Bayern! Luis Diaz! Olise. And lovely football here, Gnabry! Now Diaz to attack from this sort of position. Michael Olise. Diaz with a header. Play's going to rage on though. For another and in the same half.